Hello and welcome to NearlyNerd's overview of the Dropcam HD. It's a Wi-Fi video monitoring system that will utilize a wireless camera that operates with 802.11b, G, and N networks and supports WEP, WPA, and WPA2 encryption. It has built-in night vision capability with this 720p resolution webcam, and it's viewable online using Internet Explorer 7 or newer, Firefox 3 or newer, Safari 3 or newer, or Chrome. It's also viewable on iOS and Android devices using their respective apps, and they offer optional recording plans for 24/7 recording in the cloud. This device will actually send encrypted video to Dropcam.com and allow you to log in and view that online, but there's optional pricing plans to do that. So let's go ahead and crack the box open and take a look at this thing.
Now inside you'll have the quick start guide that actually instructs you on how to install this. Now you will need a laptop or a computer that's currently connected to the network, but after that it's completely standalone and you won't need to have a device constantly working. This is the only thing that needs to operate in order to record and transmit to your wireless. Alright? So for power, they have a 10-foot USB cable that uses a micro USB connector to connect to the actual back of the Dropcam, and you have an AC to USB plug to provide the power. That's 5 volts and 2 amps if you happen to have one of your own. And then we have the actual mounting screws and the anchors for the wall. And those will both connect to this anchor plate that will then snap into the back of the wire brushed aluminum mount, just like that. All right. Now this mount is actually adjustable, so once it's on top of the wall it can be adjusted, and as you just saw, you can actually pop out the webcam itself. Now webcam's pretty interesting because it actually has a microphone and a speaker built into it, so that you can communicate out of this device and hear what's happening in the room that it's monitoring. Basically that means if you have, you could use it for a baby monitor. You could check to see if someone, if you hear a noise through the speakers on your iPad, you can actually investigate to see what that noise was in your house by connecting to the room that this is monitoring. Could be an intruder or something to that effect. You could also use it to remotely communicate to somebody who's in your home. You could just tell them, hey, the thing you're looking for is in this drawer or whatnot, something like that. So beyond that, it's also night vision capable, which basically means it's going to use the infrared LEDs that are here to illuminate a darkened room, or at nighttime when the lights aren't on, as well as it has up to a 720p resolution that records at 30 frames a second, and a field of view of 107 degrees diagonally. And all this will be encoded to H.264 and then uploaded up to Dropcam servers for your viewing on the various devices. Okay?
Thanks for watching our video, and we'll be back next week with a new product.